Hello, it's Anika. I have this funny accent for a reason because I'm going to burp for you, burp for you, burp for you. You get but yeah, I'm gonna burp for you, and we're gonna see if it's gonna work. I'm not crying. I just got this weird affection. Don't don't bother. It's just not a reaction, not for you. It's for me because I got the allergies and it's already season already, and it's hot in here. The temperature got these bodies getting freaky. I got freaky. I was chilling with my life. I was here, body. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to burp now. It took me that while. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. Don't worry, I still have it. Okay, I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna make one every day, so make sure you're gonna see it. It's like an episode of Ranita. Got a stain right here under my boobie. Oh well. Okay, now I ate. I drank. I think that's good today. Don't hate, appreciate, and I'll see you later tomorrow. Oh my god, I've made fake nails. Guess who made those? My best friend. She was horrible.